Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check when you bought a game on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main Steam dashboard where you can see your library and various other features. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on your username and a drop-down menu will appear with several account-related options. From this menu, select Account Details. This is where all your important account information is stored, including your purchase records and transaction history. After clicking on Account Details, you'll be taken to a new page that displays various sections related to your Steam account. Look over to the right panel of this page. You'll see an option labeled View Purchase History. Click on it to proceed. This section is specifically designed to show you a complete record of every transaction you've made through Steam, making it easy to track your spending and game purchases over time. Now, I should mention that I don't have any purchase history right now, so my screen appears empty. However, if you've made purchases on Steam, you'll see a detailed list of all your transactions displayed on this page. This list includes every game you've bought, along with the exact date and time of each purchase. You'll also be able to see the payment method you used for each transaction, whether it was a credit card, PayPal, or Steam Wallet funds. Additionally, the price you paid for each item will be clearly displayed, giving you a complete overview of your spending history on the platform. This feature is incredibly useful if you need to verify when you purchased a specific game, especially if you're trying to check if you're still within a refund window or if you simply want to keep track of your gaming expenses. It's also helpful for budget management and understanding your purchasing patterns over time. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find your Steam purchase history and check when you bought any game on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.